Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shilpi's Astrology. I am your host Shilpi and today we are going to talk about Ketu in all houses of a birth chart. How Ketu, also known as south node of the moon, behaves in each of the 12 houses of a birth chart, highlighting its strengths and weaknesses. Ketu represents past life experiences, spiritual liberation, detachment, and karma. Its placement in a house influences areas where we may feel a sense of dissatisfaction, where we are meant to let go, and where we have innate wisdom from past life. Ketu in the first house can create a sense of detachment from the self and personal identity. Individuals may feel uncertain about their own identity or physical appearance. Strengths are introspection, spirituality, and wisdom. Deep introspective abilities and self-awareness is seen when Ketu is in first house. Strong inclination towards spiritual practice and inner growth. Innate wisdom and understanding of life impermanence. Weaknesses, identity crisis, detachment, and insecurity. Struggle with self-identity and personal direction is seen. Emotional detachment can lead to difficulties in forming relationships, feeling of inadequacy, or low self-esteem. Ketu in the second house can lead to attachment from material possessions and family values. There may be a sense of dissatisfaction with wealth and financial stability. Your strengths are non-attachment, intuitive finances, and generosity. Ability to remain detached from material pursuits, intuitive understanding of value and resources, natural tendency to be generous and charitable. Your weaknesses are financial instability, value confusion, neglect of resources, challenges in maintaining financial stability, uncertainty about personal value and self-worth, and you have a tendency to overlook practical aspect of life. In third house can cause a sense of detachment to communication, siblings, and immediate environment. There may be a feeling of misunderstood or disconnected. Strengths are inner communication, spiritual knowledge, and detached perspective. Strong inner dialogue and introspective communication is seen. You have natural inclination to spiritual or esoteric studies. Ability to see things from detached and unbiased viewpoint. Weaknesses are communication issues, isolation, and restlessness. Difficulty in expressing thoughts and ideas clearly. Tendency to isolate from social interactions and siblings. Inner restlessness and dissatisfaction with the immediate environment. Ketu in fourth house brings a sense of detachment to family, home, and emotional roots. There may be a feeling of being unfulfilled in domestic life. Your strengths are emotional detachment, spiritual home, and inner peace. Ability to remain emotionally detachment and objective. Strong inclination towards creating a spiritually fulfilling home environment. Potential for deep inner peace and contentment. Your weaknesses are family issues, domestic stability, and emotional confusion. Struggle with family, relationship, and emotional bonds. Feeling of instability or lack of belonging at home. Challenges in understanding and expressing emotions. Ketu in the fifth house can lead to a sense of detachment from creativity, romance, and children. There may be a feeling of dissatisfaction with self-expression and pleasure. Your strengths are creative innovation, spiritual romance, detached enjoyment. Strong intuitive ability in creative pursuits are seen when Ketu is in fifth house. Deep understanding of spiritual aspects of love and romance is also seen. Ability to enjoy life without being overly attached. Your weaknesses are creative blocks, romantic issues, and detachment. Challenges in expressing creativity and finding joy in hobbies. Struggle in romantic relationship and issues with children. You have a tendency to feel emotionally detached from source of pleasure. Ketu in the sixth house brings sense of detachment from daily work, health, and service. There may be dissatisfaction with routine and a desire to break free from daily obligations. Your strengths are service, health awareness, and work detachment. strong inclination towards self-service and helping others, intuitive understanding of health and wellness, ability to work without becoming overly attached to outcomes. Weaknesses are routine issue, health challenges, work confusion, difficulty maintaining a regular routine and sticking to daily tasks, potential for health issues due to neglect and detachments, uncertainty about career direction and job satisfaction. Ketu in 7th house can lead to a sense of detachment from relationship and partnership. There may be a feeling of dissatisfaction or incompleteness in close relationships. Your strengths are self-sufficiency, spiritual partnership, detached relationship, strong self-sufficiency and discipline and independence, attachment to spiritually significant, ability to maintain healthy boundaries and detachments. Weaknesses are relationship issues, isolation and emotional confusion, struggle with commitment and maintaining relationships, tendency to isolate from intimate connections, uncertainty about relationships needs and desires. Ketu in the 8th house brings a sense of detachment from transformation, shared resource and mysteries of life. There may be a feeling of being unfulfilled by material and emotional depths. Strengths are intuitive depth, transformation and detachments. Strong intuitive abilities and understanding of life mysteries, ability to undergo profound personal transformation, ability to remain detached from material and emotional entanglements. Weaknesses are emotional intensity, possessiveness, and fear of change. Challenges in dealing with deep emotions and shared resource. Tendency towards possessiveness and control issues. Resistance to change and transformation. Ketu in the 9th house leads to a sense of detachment from higher learning, exploration, philosophy and travel. There may be a feeling of dissatisfaction with conventional beliefs and higher education. Your strengths are spiritual insight, philosophical detachment and intuitive learning. Deep spiritual insight and understanding of esoteric wisdom, ability to view life from a detached philosophical perspective, natural intuitive approach to learning and exploring new ideas. Weaknesses are restlessness, ideological confusion and isolation, difficulty finding satisfaction in traditional education and beliefs, struggle with forming or maintaining consistent beliefs, tendency to isolate from intellectual and cultural exchange. Ketu in the 10th house brings a sense of detachment from career, public image, and social status. There may be a feeling of dissatisfaction with worldly attachments and professional life. Your strengths are non-attachment, spiritual career, and inner success. Ability to remain detached from worldly ambitions and status. Attraction to career that involves spirituality or helping others. Focus on inner fulfillment rather than external achievements. Your weaknesses are career instability, public image issues, and professional confusion. Challenges in finding satisfaction and stability in career, uncertainty about public image and social standing, professional directions and ambitions. Ketu in the 11th house brings a sense of detachment from social network, friendships and group activities. There may be feeling of dissatisfaction with social interaction and community involvement. Your strengths are spiritual friendship, detached networking and idealism, attraction to spiritually minded friends and groups, ability to network and socialize without becoming overly attached, strong sense of idealism and vision for future is also seen. Your weaknesses are isolation, self-confusion and restlessness. Tendency to isolate from social groups and community activities. Uncertainty about social role and group involvement. Difficulty finding satisfaction in social interaction. Ketu in 12th house enhances spirituality, introspection and connection to the subconscious. There may be a strong pull towards solitude and spiritual liberation. Your strengths are spiritual depth, introspection and compassion, profound spiritual insights, and connection to the divine is seen when Ketu is in 12th house. Strong introspective abilities and self-awareness is also seen there, and deep empathy and compassion for others is also there. Your weaknesses are isolation, emotional confusion, and escapism. Tendency to withdraw and isolate from the world, difficulty understanding and expressing deep emotions, risk of escaping reality through substances. Ketu's placement in your birth chart reveals where you are meant to let go, seek spiritual liberation, and where you carry innate wisdom from past life. This was our last episode of Planet in All Houses series. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next one with Exaltation and Debilitation of Planet series. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more astrological content. I'll provide you the link down there so that it becomes very easy and smooth for you all to just click and subscribe, man. That's all you need. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on all my latest videos so you never miss an astrological update. This is Shilpi signing off.